Okay, for the first video of the T.I.M project, I had just gotten this product here. Flip it up to the right side of Frine fret polishing kit. Now I haven't done anything to the fretboard yet, except for some steel wool to clean up some of the wood, and I have not done any fret leveling. So I just wanted to just test this product out for polishing, just to see what it does to a fret. So I'm going to do this fret right here, and the first thing I need to do is put a drop of their special stuff onto this cloth. They said just one little drop. Well, that was good. Okay, the drop just flew to that part there, so that's where I'm going to do it. So I'm taking their little thing that they have to put down here. So place that down there and try rubbing this in. I just want to see how it does. See if it does anything to the fret that makes it look really polished and clean. Now, when I actually do this another time, I don't think I'll use this metal piece because, well, I can't hold this down and really get a good pressure to clean this up. Trying to get the sides and stuff is really difficult. Now, if I look at this, zoom in a little bit more, it doesn't clean it up that much. I don't see much of a clean there compared to what it was before. But maybe after you do fret leveling and sanding and using other types of sandpaper, different grit levels, working your way up, and then after all of that, use this fret polish, that it might come out better. But we'll see. As the project goes along and I get to that point, I will try it out again later. Thank you. Bye-bye.